Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today it's going to be quite a longer video, but we have a Breville Oracle, it's a 980XL dual boiler espresso machine. Pretty much what we did is replace the O-rings on the machine, and also we had to replace one of the hoses on the machine also. A little weirdly, but the stuff I had done, which is replacing each and every single one of these O-rings around the boiler, and then also getting the one on the side, which is a really hard one to get, did not fix the issue. I guess the customer had done it before, and so when I had replaced it, it worked pretty fine. As you can see, not leaking. This thing's been on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Also, they replaced the same hose that I replaced. And so when I looked into it, kind of looking around the hose, I'll kind of show you here. This is the original hose. Let's see. Okay, so it's on this side. This hose, which was also replaced, has a little bit of damage on, where is it? There you are. I don't know if it's going to focus. It might not, but I will leave this part with the machine when it goes home. As you can see, a hole inside of the hose. We took this hose out of one of our personal machines and fixed it up. As you can see, nothing's leaking. Hasn't been leaking for the past 20 minutes, just to make sure. Yeah, so it's looking good. Now we are going to put the machine back together because I do need to put the lid on to use the grinder. So I am going to do that right now. Alrighty, now that we got coffee in the machine, we are going to grind a little coarse. We're just going to grab the starting here. As you can see, nice and packed. Now we are going to make a shot. Now I didn't calibrate your grinder or anything to our ground coffee, so if it runs a little too fast or a little too slow, do not worry about that. You can calibrate it when you do get home, but we're going to do a double. Kind of hard to see. Let me try to move it. Again, if it runs too fast, too slow, don't worry about that. Calibrate with your beans at home. Our beans, they're definitely different. Each bean and how they're roasted, brews differently, so don't worry about that. As you can see, we got water out of there. We are going to let it clean, but I haven't put it down. We're going to do manual mode. As you can see, steam working fine. Again, you get dual boilers with this machine, so looking good. And then also the hot water function working perfectly well. And of course, no leaking through the boiler or the hose. So yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.